In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Slack direct messages. Slack does not include a built-in bulk delete button for personal direct messages, so there isn't a simple one-click way to erase an entire conversation history. That's because Slack is designed around workspace record keeping, and in many cases, messages remain stored unless they are deleted one at a time or removed based on workspace retention settings. With that in mind, this guide focuses on three practical ways to handle old direct messages, depending on whether you want to hide them from view, automate deletion, or simply clean up your workspace layout. First, if your goal is just to reduce clutter in the sidebar, you can close direct message conversations without deleting the actual message history. Open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Then look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll to the direct messages section. Find the conversation you want to remove from your active view. Hover your mouse over that person's name and you should see a small X appear on the far right side. Click that close conversation icon, and the conversation will disappear from your sidebar right away. This is useful if you want a cleaner workspace, but keep in mind that the conversation itself is not erased. If a new message is sent later, or if you search for that person again, the chat can reappear. If you need a more aggressive option for removing large numbers of your sent messages, you can use a browser console automation method in the Slack web app. Open Slack in a desktop browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, sign in to your workspace, and go to the direct message conversation you want to work on. Then open the browser's developer console. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and J. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and J. This opens the console panel where browser scripts can be run. From there, paste in a Slack-compatible automation script that clicks through the message action menu, chooses the delete option, and confirms the deletion repeatedly. In general, this kind of script works by scanning visible message action areas, opening the More Actions menu, selecting Delete, confirming the prompt, and then continuing through the conversation while scrolling upward to load older messages. Because Slack's interface can change over time, this method may need adjustments if buttons or menu labels are different. It's also smart to monitor the process while it runs so you can stop it if needed.